Let's get started with some simple, easy to execute steps that you can take to start generating more cash flow right away. First and foremost, it's time to scrutinize the money that you're spending on eating and drinking at restaurants and bars. All of the money that consumers spend on themselves, they regret most what they spend on drinks and expensive meals at restaurants. Also related to reeling in your meal costs is getting disciplined about discretionary spending. Some examples of this might include things like coffee and car washes, things like subscription services like Netflix or Amazon. And here's the problem with these costs. They add up. So one of the best ways to give yourself a cash flow boost is to really stick to a defined budget. And I know budget sounds a lot like a four-letter word here, guys. It's no different than hearing the word diet, but a body like this is made in the kitchen. I'm just kidding. But the truth is, you've got to know what's coming in and what's going out to the dollar each and every month, which is why we provide you access to the free cash flow cruncher, which I'll give you a link to here at the end of the video.